Hello friends, welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to have fun with the letter B. Are you ready everyone?
Yes, let's start.
Let us learn about the letter B today. B says B like in ball. Can you say B?
B.
Great job! Now let us see some words that start with B. So kids, you can repeat after me. Okay? B is for basket.
B is for basket.
B is for bicycle.
B is for bicycle.
B is for book.
B is for book.
B is for bus.
B is for bus.
B is for ball.
B is for ball.
B is for butterfly.
B is for butterfly.
B is for bear.
B is for bear.
B is for bone.
B is for bone.
B is for bag.
B is for bag.
B is for banana.
B is for banana.
B is for belt.
B is for belt.
B is for boots.
B is for boots.
B is for bat.
B is for bat.
B is for blueberry.
B is for blueberry.
B is for balloon.
B is for balloon.
B is for bed.
B is for bed.
B is for bell.
B is for bell.
B is for bank.
B is for bank.
B is for bread.
B is for bread.
Awesome kids! We learned so many words that start with B today. Which was your favorite B word?
My favorite was balloons.
Great choice! Thanks for learning and playing with us at Mom and Me Fun Factory. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more. Bye bye.